The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Champaign County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Westville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Urbana. In addition, Locankit, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Kennard, Mutual, and Cable are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.